Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. Firstly, click on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and then access it in the background. Now tap on the icon of your app, select Open in Split Screen View from the list, and click on the other app, in my case, Gallery. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the side. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!